Welcome to this special edition of 504 Road Trips. Today we're going to check out Louisiana's newest state highway, LA 3241. We'll start by looking at a map of the area around Bush, Louisiana. Here, a number of state highways come together, beginning with LA 21, which leads to Mandeville to the west and Bogalusa to the north. Then we have LA 41, which begins where LA 21 turns and heads south, then east to Pearl River. Next, we have LA 40, which also comes in from the west in a brief concurrency with LA 21, and then creating a shortcut to LA 41. Up until a short time ago, the junction of LA 41 and LA 40 was a T intersection, but now a new highway has been built to the south, and LA 3241 is set up to be a high-speed road with a 65-mile-per-hour speed limit. We're going to drive Phase 1 of that highway, which opened on June 14, 2024. We begin at the junction of LA 21 and LA 41 heading south. This is still the same alignment of LA 41 that's been here for years. The modifications to this highway will begin where you can see the fresh asphalt ahead. At the old T intersection, LA 40 coming in from the right and LA 41 to the left no longer have a direct connection. This new highway has been designed for high speed, and as a result there are no crossings. Any left turn, either onto or off of LA 3241, requires a J turn and then a right turn. This is mostly to connect to driveways, as there are only two highway connections, and we just saw one, and we'll see another one at the end of Phase 1. Once this highway is complete, it'll connect to Interstate 12 at Lacombe. Here, Phase 1 of LA 3241 ends at LA 435 in an area called Talasheek. Now we're going to turn around and head back. If you watch closely ahead, someone coming in on LA 41 from the right is confused about not being able to drive straight across to LA 40 and made a backwards U-turn to get going the right way. We conclude today's video here back at the junction of LA 41 and LA 21. We'll be back up here when the next phase of the highway opens. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for as little as $1 a month, you too can help support our channel and get early access to our regular videos as well as the occasional members-only video. Click the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.